Hey guys, welcome to WatchClickBuy. Transform your work environment with the latest Workspace Gadgets of 2024. These innovative tools are designed to enhance productivity, streamline tasks, and add a touch of tech-savvy flair to your office setup. From ergonomic accessories to cutting-edge tech, discover the essentials that will redefine your workspace and make every workday more efficient and enjoyable. Embrace the future of work with these must-have gadgets. If any of the products shown interest you, you will find quick access to purchase them through the links provided in the video description. So, let's go find it out. 5. The Notera Wedge Desk Whiteboard is the perfect desk accessory for use at home, school, and the office. Its sleek glass design helps you stay organized by combining an erasable whiteboard with handy storage for essential office supplies and a slot for devices. Easily jot down tasks and appointments and enjoy the satisfaction of wiping them away when you're done. Embrace sustainability by eliminating paper waste with this reusable, soft-to-write whiteboard, perfectly sized to fit between your keyboard and monitor. 4. A game changer for creators, TourBox Lite provides an easy-to-use, customizable tool to enhance your creative workflow. Compatible with tablets, pen displays, and mice, it increases efficiency by over 50% and simplifies complex programming tasks for comics, animation, video editing, and design. Its lightweight portable design makes it ideal for use in the studio and on the go, while its rich pre-built templates and easy-to-use interface are ideal for left-handed beginners. With 8 programmable buttons and extensive customization options, TourBox Lite empowers creators to streamline their workflow and focus on their craft. 3. The JSAUX FlipGo 2K Dual Touch. 5 Screen Portable Monitor is a revolutionary tool for enhancing productivity and interaction. With dual 2.5K high-resolution screens, it offers stunning visuals and accurate touch performance with 10-point gesture support. The one-cable connection simplifies setup and powers both screens while charging your laptop. The innovative ABC mode expands your workspace to 3 screens, perfect for multitasking across diverse projects. Its magnetic design ensures easy attachment of stands and accessories, combining portability with stability. 2. The BenQ ScreenBar Halo is an innovative LED monitor light designed to enhance eye comfort and save desk space. The built-in backlight reduces glare and provides customizable brightness and color temperature via a smart wireless controller. With 3 eye care modes and continuous adjustments, it provides the perfect lighting for working and relaxing. The USB-powered ScreenBar Halo features a space-saving design that can be mounted on most monitors, ensuring a clutter-free workspace. Its high compatibility makes it suitable for both flat and curved displays. 1. The OBSBOT Tiny 2 Lite 4K Webcam is a high-quality, versatile camera designed for professional streaming and meetings. It features AI tracking with auto zoom and a 2-axis gimbal, ensuring you stay perfectly framed in any scenario. The webcam offers customizable preset modes and dynamic gesture control for easy operation. With multiple shooting modes and seamless compatibility with various platforms, it's perfect for both novices and experienced users. The Tiny 2 Lite delivers exceptional performance and flexibility without the need for additional apps.